Alright folks, and we're back with another Conduit tutorial video. In this video we'll be adding a switchboard, which is the first piece of large equipment that can be inside of a facility. So in the last video we added this utility connection, which is a Duke Energy utility connection at 277 480 volt Y, 3-phase. But the next thing we need to do is add another piece of equipment. So up here at this plus mark, just like when we added the utility connection, you can see all of our pieces of equipment that we can add in here. And you see the first box there underneath distribution says switchboard. So we're going to tap on that and it's going to bring up the switchboard questionnaire, which at the moment is just one question. We're going to call this switchboard MS. And we're going to tap that in there. We're going to type MS into the switchboard name, and then we're going to add this switchboard. And here it is out here inside of the project, along with that utility connection. You can see they're not connected yet, but they will be in just a moment. But this is how you add a switchboard inside of Conduit. In a moment, we will show you how to go about starting to change the requirements in the collection, as well as editing the switchboard. But for the moment, we're going to stop there and move on to the next video.